Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigator and this is today's market update for July 6, 2020. I hope everybody have a good long July before weekend. And let's see where the market heading to right now. If you look at here on the SPY, so this morning the market it gap up and now they continue to put in the upside. So you see the big hole here, which is the big gap here. They try to fill up the gap. They didn't have enough time to fill up the gap. So the market it kind of goes sideways today, but eventually look like they try to get up there and retest the area here. So in order for the market it to go higher and the bull will be control the market, they need to break about 223 level here to continue to the upside. As long as they still below this level, the market is still have a question that we have to pay attention for. So overall, the market they push it back up, they pull back down, and now they try to push back up. Let's see how far they can go. In the short term, that you can see that on a 60-minute check, the market it continue to push it back up, and then over the weekend they pull back down, and now they go back up, and then the whole day they go sideways, and probably they will find some more momentum to put into the 320 level here. Let's see if they're able to get there and retest the sell zone here, and then we'll be able to tell the market it where they're heading to. So we are getting into the wall of worry. So we have to be a little bit caution to see what they are going to do at this level. And if you look at the EBNI SB 500, you can see that momentum is still in the upside. So we watch out for this area carefully to see where they're heading to. But in the short term, they go up, but the whole day they go sideways into the last minute and then try to put more momentum in the upside. So if you are a day trader, you can see that market is a little bit choppy this morning. So when the market opened, they push it back up, they slam it down, and in our live trading room, we already recognize that the market is going to go sideways today. It's harder for the day trader to try to stay there and make a big move. So we know that. So I jump in after I close the live trading room, jump in, take a quick trade, hit to the resistance, and we get out. And then for the day, this week I'll be very busy, so I only focus on quick trade and get it done. So the total net profit for today is $794. So that's a good start for the week, and let's see where they're heading to. So the market, you see the whole day they ran by between 31.72 and 31.55. They keep up and down until the last minute, and then they be able to break out and push it higher. So look at the couple of stocks that we are talking over the weekend. So first of all, that you see Tesla stock that continue to dominate the market. Today they jump up another 223 points right now, as you can see, and continue to go to the roof. We don't know where they're heading to, but extremely bullish for Tesla compared to the other electric car. And another stock that if you watch my weekly market forecast, another stock is try to get out and punch to the upside also. That's the Sohu and SQM. They also try to find a way to get head up also. And you can see one stock that we watching out right now, which is the Boeing. The Boeing after they pull back down, they go sideways. So the momentum is start getting to the Boeing. If they be able to stabilize here, definitely you're looking for the future to take up. All right, so that's all I have for you for today. Please sign up with our YouTube channel. So every time we have a new video, we will let you know. And if you would like to learn more how to understand financial market, how to trade, how to use the modern technical analysis to analyze the chart, please check out our website at stocknavigator.com for more information. Again, thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next video.